Here we go. Rainy night. Hasn't been raining in a while. Of course, I'm gonna take a freaking walk. Wish my son was here. He would definitely make me take a walk. Oh yeah. Get up, yo. It's nice and warm. I don't even think I need this umbrella. If I didn't have my phone, I would not use the umbrella, but I don't want the phone to get wet. I'm not going far, but that's where I last saw my father and my brother. Right there. Hate that I live next to it. I can see the windows exactly. Right there. Stop sign, got glass in it so it can shine. Gotta cross the crosswalk. Oh, oh man, me and my kids will have fun getting wet in here. Like, I have no mercy. It's fun. It's warm. It's nice and warm. It's light rain. It's not even pouring, but heavy enough is nice. No big puddles that I can splash in. I wish my son Bash was here so he could splash in these waters. He loves doing that shit. He gets almost naked and does this. Woo-hoo. Yep. How old am I? Yeah, I'm 47. So what? The fuck does that matter, right? I just took a shower too. I can feel dirt in my feet. There's my crib. You can tell from the very, very blue light. Whoa, lightning. Heard that? Saw that? Y'all saw lightning? You hear old thunder. Here you go. I think I'm gonna walk some more and see the Halloween houses. Maybe lightning struck again. Look at my brother's flag over there. There's Halloween stuff up already, right here, over there. Whoa, that thunder's crazy. Sounds weird. It's supposed to be the rapture. Like, the rapture's supposed to be today, Tuesday, like, oh, scary. Ooh, repent. 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 My brothers and sisters, repent. My brothers and sisters, repent. My brothers and sisters. Whoopsh. Whoa, some creepy shit. Look at this guy. Whoa, shit. Look at this one. Oh my god. They went all out. They don't have all this blown up with rain. Just that Chucky on the floor. Let's go to the next one. That's it. Red lights. I think they have that here long. See, like skeleton. Wow. Well, I got these guys blown up. Halloween. That's awesome. They got it up. Yeah. Wish I put my. I got like Halloween in my house 24/7, 365. Check out this creepy guy again one more time. This one's creepy, but this one's creepier. Roar! Yeah, touch my hand. No. Oh. Creepy lady. Fucking crazy. Oh, they have some kind of Halloween stuff here. A little bit. Oh, more lightning. I just saw. No, see? Cool. Oh, the thunder. Thunder! You hear it. Always thunder after lightning. Please, God, take me with you. Don't leave me here. Beautiful. See my crib? It is the blue light over there. Mikey's flag. Flagpole. Fish tank up there in the window. The other flagpole. This one lasted long. My brother's truck. I'm gonna end up putting a exclamation mark right here like I did with my mom. All I did was take one of these out and I put it there. Boom. That's it. This is funner with my kids. A lot more fun with my kids. Yeah.